In this video, we are going to walk through how to use teacher annotations to scaffold your assignments in Newsela. So first we'll open up Newsela here. We've logged in with Google, and we'll need to either open up an assignment that is a draft or an article that we are going to use in an assignment. So this is an article that we'd like to assign to our students. We've opened it up to one of the higher text levels here, and we would like to help scaffold that for students or help them with annotations and kind of kickstarting that for our students. So we can use annotations just like our students do by highlighting a word or phrase in the text. It will bring up the annotation options in the right margin. We can choose a highlight color and then start typing in our annotation here. So we are typing in a question for our students to kind of kickstart their thinking for this article. And then we need to click the share button underneath that annotation. So then that posts that annotation to this article at this text level. Since each text level is a slightly different version of the article, the annotations are only posted to the text level that you create them in. So your students are going to need annotations at each text level that they might view that article at. So you'll need to go into each text level and post your annotations at the different levels that your students might read that article at. If you are going to assign at the no level locking for your students, so you'll see we have used the text level drop down menu in the upper right, changed the text level for the article, and then you might need to check out the article and see where you want your annotations to fit in to make sense. So we annotated coastal critters in one version of the article, and then we've annotated marine animals in a couple other versions. So you might need to adjust where you annotate, but in each version of the text that your students might open the article, or at every version, it's up to you. You can add annotations to help scaffold for your students. You can also just add annotations at the lower levels if you would like to help build in those supports, or you can add them at every level. So here you can see we can preview those annotations in the right margin at every level, so they're visible for our students no matter which text level they open the article at to read. They are going to be visible for our students. So it's important to remember to add teacher annotations to all text levels that you want your students to be able to read and engage with the article.